सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल्दी और जीरा सिप MDH का जल्दी और जीरा सिप।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Loses complete grip as Islamist groups storm Pakistan's capital in a united stand against the government. At 8:30 tonight, barely a year since the Archie Kaur rape and murder, another case shakes the country, but taking no hard responsibility, Mamata Banerjee victim shames. At 9 p.m. this evening, Afghanistan teaches Islamabad a tough lesson. Pakistan's attempt to provoke after Muttaqi's visit to India ends in an embarrassing failure. And ladies and gentlemen, on April 22nd, 2025, a day after the Pahalgam terror attack, I had made the case that the balkanization of Pakistan is a ticking time bomb. It will happen. And let me tell you, Asif Munir and Shehbaz Sharif have not disappointed me. Absolutely not. In the last 6 months since Pahalgam, we first saw Sindh go berserk against the Pakistani government's corrupt water schemes. And then we saw Baluchistan on the boil. From the Jafar Express to the attacks in Quetta, there is no place where the Pakistan army can hide from the Baluch freedom fighters anymore. No place. And then we saw the POK bring Pakistan police and armed forces to its knees, sending back the plunderers of Islamabad with their uniforms hoisted on a pole. The visuals are all there. They can be played, ladies and gentlemen. And you all know that since Friday, the Taliban has been pounding Asif Munir's army in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa as he faces an Afghan revenge for strikes in Kabul. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you some incredible images. We can run them full frame, please, of a post-apocalyptic wasteland that the Pakistanis call Lahore. Look at the carnage. Look at the arson. Look at the clash. Look at the shooting. Look at the chants, the sloganeering, the violence and the charge. These are the people of Pakistan fighting their own army. The people of Pakistan have risen against their own Pakistani rangers. And let me tell you, it's not going to stop, because that is the plight of a betrayed population, betrayed by their own armed forces. And even here, Asif Munir's forces are taking a beating unlike ever before. These are demonstrators of the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, TLP, colloquially referred to as the TLP, Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan. And they have started marching. They are marching from Lahore. They are marching from Muridke, the same Muridke where we also pounded the Pakistanis in Operation Sindoor. These TLP demonstrators are marching towards Islamabad against their own government and its support to the United States of America. Particularly Asif Munir and Shehbaz Sharif's unconditional, spine-breaking support to US President Donald Trump and his Gaza peace plan. This is not one nation, ladies and gentlemen, anymore. It never has been. We must evaluate how we've been looking at it. This strange duo of Asif Munir and Shehbaz Sharif hasn't betrayed in the last 6 months in the greed for power grab of this uninformed wannabe Musharraf Field Marshal Asif Munir, ladies and gentlemen. And in the days to come, much more is about to happen. But what is worse, do you know where Shehbaz Sharif is right now? I can show you the visuals. Right now, while his country is burning over Gaza, Shehbaz Sharif is in Sharm el-Sheikh having a 7-star party in Egypt, about to shake Trump's hand over his pro-Israel deal. This man has misplaced notions about himself and misplaced notions about his country. And that is why Pakistan is seeing what it's seeing. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, in Pakistan, this is precisely why today there is not one province in Pakistan that is now willing to draw the blood of the Pakistan armed forces. The Pakistan armed forces are collapsing from within because they are not a nation anymore. They have divided themselves into a land of social and political opportunists. Look at the Pakistani security forces being beaten up by the people of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen. This happens, this kind of situation happens when the people in power prey on the weak, when they cannibalize their own resources, oppress the weak, and sacrifice it at the altar of their masters for their grace. And the people of Pakistan is now saying this much and no further. As the TLP is continuing to lead their march, even as the Pakistani government has crossed all limits and lines to trample them, we have reports here at Republic that 100 protesters have been killed. In fact, reports are also suggesting something more. They are suggesting that they have shot the leader of TLP, Saad Rizvi, in a desperate bid to hide Asif Munir's colossal internal security failure, because that is all that these people can do. Shoot the people, jail their own people, hide their own people, ladies and gentlemen. And actually, if I were to represent this accurately, disown their own people. So what I want to say tonight is that the fight is now very clear. It is the people of Pakistan versus the present establishment of Pakistan. You asked me what would happen in the future. I believe soon there will be no Pakistan. There will be an independent Baluchistan, maybe an Afghan Pashtun-covered KPK, a Sindh possibly and hopefully free from oppression, and of course, a reunited Jammu and Kashmir, all of it back with the Republic of India. And this is not going to happen because of any liberating force. This is only going to happen because the headline of this year and the next, ladies and gentlemen, is simply going to be Pakistan versus Pakistan. That's what the news story is going to be.
स्ट्रेट फायरिंग की जा रही है, यहाँ पे स्नाइपर चलाई जा रही है, यहाँ पे AK-47 का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। हमारे पास इतने शहीद हो चुके हैं कि हमारे पास उठाने के लिए जगह नहीं है। रात के इस अंधेरे में हमारा वो कत्लेआम कर रहे हैं।
सीधे फायर कर स्टेट मैच जीत रही के
These are the scenes from Ground Zero in Pakistan. Streets of Lahore. And streets of Muridke. The visuals coming in are almost apocalyptic. Violence, arson, absolute anarchy. Pakistan, the failed nation, is on the brink. The Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, a far-right Islamist group, has taken to the streets and they're marching to Islamabad.
सैकड़ों कारकुनान के सिरों पे गोलियां मार दी, तुमने गोलियां बरसाई। सीनों पे गोलियां चलाई, आज ये बच्चे तड़प रहे, इनका खून तुम्हारी गर्दनों पर है।
Protesting perceived soft pedaling by Pakistan on Israel under pressure from Donald Trump. They want to protest outside the US embassy in support of Gaza. These protesters have a point as they take to the streets. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is in Egypt to back the Trump peace deal they don't like. Back home, a clueless General Asim Munir and his men attacked, beaten, charged, tear gassed, even shot at the TLP demonstrators.
पंजाब पुलिस की जानिब से एक दफा फिर
As per Pakistan media reports, over 100 protesters have lost their lives in this naked aggression by the Pakistan army against its own people. As its own citizens openly attack the Pakistani army and the Rangers. First in Balochistan, then POK, then Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and now even Pakistan Punjab. It's clear, Munir's army is losing control, one province at a time.
What is going on in Pakistan? Whatever is going on in Pakistan is very bad for the people of Pakistan. It's terrible. But what is worse is that Shehbaz Sharif is having a party in Sharm el-Sheikh today. Shehbaz Sharif is having a 7-star party in Sharm el-Sheikh on the invitation of Donald Trump. And 100 protesters have been killed. 100 protesters have been killed. Some people have put the number at 120. Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, also known as Tehreek-e-Labbaik Ya Rasool Allah, is a very far-right Islamist populist political party. It's the 4th largest party in Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen. They've got 2.9 million votes. Their people are just being killed. And the visuals have gone out on the social media today. Abdul Samad Yaqub is with us today. Dr. Sundus Mustaqeen, Adnan Haidar and Irshad Ahmad. Remember, everything that you are saying is going to be watched in Pakistan also. You cannot support the massacre of your own people on the streets of your own capital. This is very, very unstable, the situation out there. I want to know which of these Pakistani guests is willing to support the massacre of people from the TLP. Are you willing? Dr. Sundus Mustaqeen, are you willing to support the brutal massacre of TLP people? Today you oppose.
Now you are reporting wrong figures and wrong situation.
Actually, I'm true because some people are saying 200 people have been killed. There are some.
I am here. I can give you the number of the TLP spokesperson. As per the Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan spokesperson, the figure is around 20. From where you get 100, yaar? You have no news. You have no.
शर्म करो बेगैरत इंसान, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? तुम 20 इंसान की बात करते हो, तुम कहते हो कि 200 नहीं 20 इंसान थे, 20 इंसान नहीं थे। यार बेगैरती की इंतहा होती है। कोई आते हुए आईएसपीआर को रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए शर्म करनी चाहिए। तुम्हें 20 इंसान नहीं लगते? वो 20 इंसान नहीं थे, वो जानवर थे वो जिनको तुमने वो जिबा कर दिया वहां पे। कहते हो कि 200 नहीं थे 20 थे, 2000 नहीं थे 200 थे। यार कम ऑन यार, हैव सम ग्रेस यार, कोई तो शर्म करो यार, कुछ तो आके शर्म करो कि टीएलपी स्पोक्सपर्सन कह रहे हैं कि 20 इंसान थे, 20 जानवर थे, 20 भेड़ बकरियां थी तुम्हारे लिए। यार तुम कम से कम आते हुए यहाँ पे तुम रिप्रेजेंट करो, डिफेंड करो उनके आईएसपीआर को, आईएसआई को, एमआई को, सारों को। एक बंदे की जान जाना तुम्हारे लिए मतलब बेगैरती की इंतहा है कि तुम्हें फर्क ही नहीं महसूस हो रहा कि भाई तुम्हें खून चाहिए। ये जनरल डायर की हुकूमत है कि तुम्हें खून चाहिए, यहाँ पे तुम्हें चाहिए यहाँ पे कि तुम्हें अफगानिस्तान के बॉर्डर के ऊपर तुमने कहा कि 23 या 28 शहीद हो गए, वो शहीद नहीं थे वो जो अफगानिस्तान के बॉर्डर के ऊपर पाकिस्तान। तुम्हें इंडिया के बॉर्डर के ऊपर शहीद चाहिए, तुम्हें तहरीक इंसाफ के शहीद चाहिए, तुम्हें लहू चाहिए, तुमने लहू की होली
ये वो जालियानवाला बाग वाली अप्रोच है, ये वो जनरल डायर की जालियानवाला बाग वाली अप्रोच है कि मारा तो मारा, मर गए 30 से 200, it makes no difference. I don't understand how you can say this today. Are they not fellow Pakistanis? Are they not people? Do they not have a right to protest?
अर्नाब, मैं इस कुत्ते को जवाब नहीं देना चाहता। ये कुत्ता भौंकता रहेगा, मुझसे सवाल पूछना है,
देखो मेरी बात सुनो, दलील से बात करो, दलील से, गाली से बात नहीं करो, दलील से बात करो। तुम्हारे में जुर्रत है, दलील से बात करो, आज आर्गुमेंट करो, अतरार हैदर आर्गुमेंट करो। ये बात नहीं है कि तुम उनको
किसी को कुत्ता बिल्ली कहने से चेंज नहीं होगा। नहीं, आप एक इंडियन टीवी चैनल पे एक पाकिस्तानी को कुत्ता बोल रहे हैं, ये देखती है, व्हाट इज दिस? क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, इनको कुत्ता बोला आपने। इज दिस व्हाट इज गोइंग टू कम डाउन टू? No, then you don't. I'll ask Sundus Mustaqeen. Are you happy?
अगर आपको उन्होंने छोड़ा हुआ है, मतलब ये कोई, this is not a fair. आप आओ, आप दलील से बात करो, आप काउंटर करो मुझे। आपको जी, आप कह रहे कि जी 200 नहीं थे, 20 थे।
Sundus Mustaqeen is on the debate.
Because सिर्फ एक गजा के मामले में लेकर प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था 2 साल में, हमने देखा नॉट ओनली मुस्लिम कंट्रीज बट ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, जो भी दर्द दिल रखने वाले इंसान हैं, उन्होंने गजा के लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया। उनकी अपनी गवर्नमेंट ने, उनकी अपनी आर्म फोर्सेस ने प्रोटेस्टर्स को रोका। सेम हैपेंड इन पाकिस्तान।
Dr. Sundus, 1 minute. Dr. Sundus, Dr. Mustaqeen, let me ask you something. Dr. Mustaqeen, let me ask you something. आपको मैं कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. You please listen to me for a minute. Dr. Mustaqeen, I request you. Now you're a Pakistani and I am an Indian, but I want to ask you today. Dr. Sundus Mustaqeen, please hear me tonight. My question to you is simple. Is your government, आप उनको कुत्ता बोल रहे हैं. Has your government become a complete lapdog of President Trump? Is your government a lapdog of President Trump?
My dear, I'm here to present the facts and figures. The protest was for the Gaza people. पूरी दुनिया में हमने गजा के लिए प्रोटेस्ट होते हुए देखे। हर मुल्क में जिसने गजा के लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया, उनकी अपनी आर्म फोर्सेस, गवर्नमेंट ने उन लोगों को ऐसे ही रोका है। सेम हैपेंड इन पाकिस्तान। इसमें पाकिस्तानी गवर्नमेंट या मिलिट्री
No, 1 minute. Dr. Mustaqeen, your government, Asif Munir, 1 minute. Dr. Mustaqeen, 1 minute. Dr. Mustaqeen, let me tell you, protests happen everywhere. There have been protests for Gaza everywhere. But even in the United States of America, let me tell you this. You are, 1 minute, Dr. Mustaqeen, please hear me. Please hear me for a minute. Please hear me. You must hear me. You must listen to me, Dr. Mustaqeen. You must listen to me, madam.
Playing on Muslim and Indian card, again.
Forget the Muslim and Indian card. I'm talking about the humanitarian card. You please, Dr. Mustaqeen, listen to me for a minute. Don't close your ears. Don't say I will not listen to Arnab because he's an Indian. Because I'm an Indian. मैं भारतीय हूं, आप मेरी बात नहीं सुनेंगे. आप पाकिस्तानी है, मैं भारतीय हूं, इसलिए आप मेरी बात नहीं सुनेंगे. मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं एक बात कह रहा हूं आपको. सुनिए, सुनिए. Dr. Mustaqeen, listen to me. No, you listen to me, Dr. Mustaqeen. So, Dr. Mustaqeen, listen to me. See, listen, just 5 to 10, 15, 15 सेकंड लूंगा, आपका क्या जाएगा? आप 15 सेकंड मेरी बात सुनिए. देखिए, even in America, Trump did not tell his army to shoot at protesters on Gaza. But आसिफ मुनीर, शहबाज शरीफ, इंडिया में कितने इंडियन मुस्लिम्स ने बहुत प्रोटेस्ट की. इंडियन मुस्लिम्स ने गाजा पे भरपूर प्रोटेस्ट की. आप मिस्टर अब्दुल समाद को पूछिए, इंडिया में हर दिन प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं गाजा पर और हम अलाउ करते हैं. हम इधर गोली नहीं मारते, हम गोली नहीं मारते लोगों. पर पाकिस्तान में जहाँ मुस्लिम देश है, इस्लामिक देश है, भारत इस्लामिक देश नहीं है, मगर हम प्रोटेस्ट करने देते हैं. पाकिस्तान तो अपने आप को एक इस्लामिक देश कहता है. एक इस्लामिक देश की गजा पे जो प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, उनको आप मार डालते हैं. You massacre them. Why?
वुमेन राइट्स का प्रचार क्यों करते हैं? कैपिटल इंडिया. फिर वुमेन राइट्स का प्रचार क्यों करते हैं? You
are on the payroll of the Americans. you know, some,
independent Muslim. हम एटलीस्ट गजा को लेकर प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Sorry for Indian Muslims. They cannot even raise their voice for Gaza. People of Palestine.
People, Indian Muslims, for your kind information, Indian Muslims from Asaduddin Owaisi to people who are supporting Mamata Banerjee have all been protesting about Gaza, and we allow the protest. But in Pakistan, you kill Muslims who come out to protest against Donald Trump because you're a lapdog of Donald Trump.
But Pakistani military didn't want that. कोई भी नहीं चाहता था, वो भी नहीं चाहते थे, जो सके हो गया. किसी भी मुल्क में हो सकता था, किसी भी मुल्क में लोगों के ऊपर गोली लग सकता था.
अब्दुल समाद जी, इनका कहना है गलती से लोग मर गए.
मैं डॉक्टर को ना, डॉक्टर सुंदस, मेरी बात सुनो. जमीन बेच डाली, जमन बेच डाला. डॉक्टर बात सुनो.
इंडियन मुस्लिम्स क्यों नहीं निकले गजा के लिए? अब्दुल समद साहब,
डॉक्टर मेरी बात सुनो. डॉक्टर मेरी बात सुनो.
हजारों लाखों भारतीय मुसलमानों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया, हमने गोली नहीं मारी, मगर आपके मुल्ला मुनीर ने जो किया पाकिस्तानियों के साथ, ये कोई नहीं भूलेगा. Nobody will forget it. You think people will forget it?
मैं सिर्फ एक डॉक्टर साहब को रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहूंगा.
उस्मा करता रहा ये डिबेट पर.
मैं डॉक्टर साहब को रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहूंगा. डॉक्टर साहिबा,
उस्मा कारदार सबसे पहले आपको याद दिलाएगी कि who slaughtered 5,000 Muslims in Gujarat? Who was responsible for that genocide? Who was the Kasai of Gujarat? Look into your own house first. What is happening in India? What you're doing in Kashmir? You have killed thousands of people because they came out for their freedom. And Abdul Samad Yaqoob ko aapne Pakistan ka numayanda mat banaya.
Is this a justification to kill your own people? Is this a justification to kill your own people?
Abdul Samad Yaqoob louder. Abdul Samad Yaqoob.
नहीं. ये मतलब सिर्फ बात करो आज के इंसिडेंट के ऊपर. आज के इंसिडेंट के ऊपर बात करो. तुम जलियांवाला को भी छोड़ दो, तुम फलां को भी छोड़ दो. तुम आज बताओ कि तुमने 200 लोग किस लिए मारे? 200 लोगों का खून किया, किस लिए किया तुमने?
He's bad-mouthing his own state. So Abdul Samad Yaqoob is no representative of Pakistan. He is representing India at best. He is representing.
Neither are you. You
I
are
am a representative of.
You are justifying the massacre of Pakistan.
Not friends of Pakistan at all. Okay, now let me tell you what is
She
happening.
justifies the massacre on Muridke. She justifies the massacre in Lahore.
I don't know from where you're
She
getting
wants
your
the people in
figures.
Lahore
They
to be
are
killed.
all concocted. We have been out on the roads in Lahore. In the morning, we did the launch for polio. Then we went to the Girl Guides Association. There was the International Girls Day there. We celebrated that with them. Then I went to the parliament. We had our session. We passed the local government bill.
यार
Things
शर्म
are
करो.
normal.
शर्म करो.
Things are normal in
शर्म करो
Lahore.
यार. आज
I'm
के दिन तो
talking
शर्म
about
कर लो.
Lahore.
किस मुंह
I
से
don't know
डिफेंड करने आई
Lahore
हो?
you're talking
किस मुंह
about.
से डिफेंड करने आई
The
हो यार?
Lahore
कत्ल
that I am
खून
living
गिरा है.
in, the
कत्ल
Lahore
गारत हुई
in
है.
which the whole day I
जलियांवाला
was on
बाग
the
की
road.
तहरीक जो किस
There
मुंह
was
से
there
कोई
was no
शर्म,
disturbance.
कोई हया,
there was
कोई
no
तुम्हारे
such
मुंह
thing
पे
as
कोई
a
शर्म
whole
झलक रही है,
situation.
कोई बेगैरती की इंतहा है तुम्हारे ऊपर कि तुमने कोई शर्म नाम की कोई बेगैरती, इतनी बेगैरती तुम लोगों ने मान ली है कि यार लोग खत्म हुए, तुम और आज आप पोलियो और फलां की बात करती हो. कोई शर्म कर लो यार, कोई हया कर लो. लोग मरे हैं, लोग तुमने भी मरना है एक दिन. तुम्हारी भी मौत आएगी, तुम भी एक दिन मरोगी. तुम्हारा भी जनाजा उठाया जाएगा, तुम्हारा जनाजा भी उठाएगा. तुम्हें शर्म करनी चाहिए. तुम लोगों ने कत्लो गारत की. तुम जनरल डायर की तुम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बन के आई हो. जनरल शर्म करो यार. तुम्हें मैं बोलने नहीं दूंगा यहाँ पे. कोई शर्म हो यहाँ होती है. लोग मरे हैं, लोग
पाकिस्तानी मुस्लिमों को रिप्रेजेंट करते हो, तो जो मर्जी बोलते रहो. तुम मेहरबानी करके टेल अर्नाब that he should write you are representing Indian government, you are not representing Pakistan government, so stop your bullshitting. You have no idea what's happening. I am in Lahore. I am sitting in Lahore. I have spent the whole day in
Abdul
Lahore.
Samad
कातिल हो तुम लोगों ने खून किया। अब तुम्हें अफगान बॉर्डर पे भी खून चाहिए, तुम्हें इंडियन बॉर्डर के ऊपर भी खून चाहिए, तुम्हें पाकिस्तानियों का खून की लत लग गई है। तुम्हें सिर्फ खून पीने की आदत लग गई है, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती। बगैर तो
Stop your fabrication. Stop your
Shut up.
You are lying.
Shut up.
You are lying. You are just, and of course.
कितने लोग
you know,
मारे हैं
these
तुमने आज?
people, they're so
कितने मारे हैं
frustrated
तुमने
because
आज?
they have lost
बताओ ना, कितने मारे हैं तुमने आज?
with
कितने
Pakistan,
लोगों को कत्ल
and
किया
they're
तुमने आज?
scared of our
कितने
army,
लोगों का
and that
खून
is
बहाया
why
तुमने
they are
आज?
bad-mouthing.
ठीक है,
They're
किस मुंह से
constantly
तुम जो है ना
talking
यहाँ पे
against
बैठे
our
हो आज?
army because they can't
मुंह से?
face our army.
तुम्हारे मुल्क
Our
की
army
वजीर आला,
is one
तुम्हारे
of the
पंजाब की
strongest
वजीर आला, तुम्हारा आईजी पंजाब गया वहां पे, तुम्हारे आईजी पंजाब के इन सब
अब्दुल
आईजी
समाद
पंजाब
याकूब।
के उसमें वो हुआ, शर्म भी नहीं आती तुम लोगों को,
Pakistan,
बेगैरत इंसान।
if they try to talk of erasing Pakistan, then they will get erased first. They should remember
You will be
that.
erased soon.
And,
You will be
Pakistan has
eliminated.
established a new normal
You will be
response.
eliminated.
And Pakistan long-range missiles can reach anywhere in India. So they are
ये
scared.
तुम्हारे
of our
अंदर
army.
फटेगा ये
They're
लॉन्ग रेंज
scared of
मिसाइल,
our- they're
और ये
scared of
मिसाइल
our-
क्या न्यूक्लियर बम फट रहे हैं यहाँ पे।
So all they can
यहाँ
do
पे
is
तुम्हें किसी
interfere
दुश्मन
in
की
our-
जरूरत नहीं है,
They
तुम्हें
should
किसी
look
दुश्मन
after
की
their
जरूरत
own
नहीं है।
internal affairs. And Abdul Samad Yaqub, you are neither here nor there. They will not own you. We
आई
don't
वेरी
own
मच
you.
हियर,
Nobody
तुम
owns
कुछ
you.
बिगाड़
So
सकते हो,
you are
बिगाड़ो,
not
तुम्हारी
owned
हुकूमत है,
and
बिगाड़ो
you
मेरा,
can say whatever
तुम्हारी
you
हुकूमत है
like.
ना,
It makes
जाओ बिगाड़ो
absolutely
मेरा,
no difference.
यू आर इन पावर,
It makes
यू
no
आर इन
sense
पावर,
at all.
जाओ मेरा बिगाड़ो।
You
ये
are just
FIU की
there.
धमकियां
You
ना
are
दो
a
मुझे।
propaganda tool. You are just a propaganda tool. That's all you are. And
I am
you
just
should.
exposing you.
I think you should.
I am
You
exposing
should.
you.
You should.
I'm here to
Openly,
expose you.
openly accept the
Abdul
fact
Samad
that
Yaqub
you
is an
are on
independent
agenda.
voice from
You
Pakistan.
are on an agenda.
Abdul Samad
And it
Yaqub
not-
is an independent
you are
voice
not
from Pakistan.
representative of
He's a
Pakistan
well-established
or the state
leader.
of Pakistan. So stop-
Sandas
stop
Mustaqeen,
this nonsense.
Sandas Mustaqeen, listen to me, because she's non-stop. She's not going to stop speaking. But the problem is that the protest march, you need to understand, with the protest march on Dr. Sandas, which has been led by the TLP chief Saad Hassan Rizvi, continues from Lahore to Muridke, despite all the heavy security blockades, despite the police stoppages. Why have the people not stopped marching? That is the question. The people are still marching, whereas you psychopaths, people like you, Sandas, who are nothing but ISI proxies, are not hearing the voice of the people. 200 people have been killed, and you're in denial. It's not a free country.
We are not like you. We allowed TLP to march on our roads. Okay, this is a free country. We give them the freedom to march.
On the debate, Abdul Samad Yaqub is getting upset again.
कोई तो रियलिटी को एक्सेप्ट करो यार, कुछ तो रियलिटी को एक्सेप्ट करो।
हर पाकिस्तानी होने पे उतना ही दुख है। सब हमारे लोग हैं, ये सब हमारे लोग हैं। TLP में जो पाकिस्तानी वो भी हमारे हैं, जो वर्दी में वो भी हमारे हैं। आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सब हमारे अगर आपस में मर रहे हैं, we feel pain for each and everyone. हमें एक भी आदमी के शहीद होने का, फौत होने का उतना ही दुख है जो आपको हो भी नहीं सकता है। ठीक है, आपस की झड़पों में अगर मरे doesn't mean
Why don't you release? Okay, Dr. Sundas, hundreds, 500. 1 minute, Dr. Sundas, listen to me. You got to take a question. Not taking a question is a sign of cowardice. आप ये कायर मत बनिए, मेरे सवाल को सुनिए. 250 senior leaders of TLP have been arrested. Why don't you release them? Release the TLP leaders. Release Imran Khan. Release the PTI leaders. Why don't you release Imran Khan? Release Imran Khan. Release Imran Khan. If you have the guts, release Imran Khan and release the TLP leader.
Because you have to stop them. We have to stop. We don't want them to make this and continue this nonsense even more. We want to stop killings. दोनों साइड से हमारे लोग मर रहे हैं. इसको रोकने के लिए अगर पकड़ा गया है कुछ लोगों को, तो इसको सबको रोकने के लिए पकड़ा गया है. हमारे
वो फोटो दिखाइए जो नया सूट डॉक्टर सुंदस. एक मिनट, let me get उस्मा करदार. ये देखिए फुल फ्रेम, एक नया सूट स्टिच करके, एक लंदन में जाके नया सूट स्टिच करके आपके प्रॉक्सी नेता शहबाज शरीफ is having a party. Your proxy leader is having a party in Sharm el-Sheikh. Today there is a music festival in Sharm el-Sheikh. They have organized music festival. He is having a party in Sharm el-Sheikh. He is hugging people. Volume down. Viewers, this man has no reality. उसका देश जल रहा है और वो वहां पे 5-star होटल में बैठ के पार्टी कर रहे हैं. ये सच्चाई है. You may not want to see the reality. He's having a good time. You meet him, it is as if Abdul Samad Yaqub, nothing has happened in Pakistan. 200 people have been killed. The man is not even coming back. He should have called back his foreign trip. Sundos, why does he not come back? How shameless is he? Why does he not come back and handle the situation in his own country?
Because it's a gold, we are enjoying the golden era of our democracy. वो क्यों चाहेंगे कि टीएलपी जो पाकिस्तान को और इस्लाम के नाम पर थोड़ा सा मिसगाइड करें, उस छोटे से इशू के लिए बाहर से आए? उनको भी दुख है पाकिस्तान के मरने का.
जब मुल्ला मुनीर सुबह शाम उठ के मुल्ला मुनीर सुबह शाम उठ के भारत के खिलाफ जिहाद करते हैं, तो ये इस्लामिस्ट एंगल कौन कर रहा है? मुल्ला मुनीर भारत के खिलाफ जिहाद की बात क्यों करते हैं? वो कोई सेक्युलर भाषा है क्या? What nonsense are you talking, Dr. Sundas? It's absolute rubbish, whatever you're saying.
आपने को बोल सकती है. हमारे लोग दंडनाते हुए हमारे अब्दुल समद साहब को देखें, इंडियन चैनल पे पाकिस्तान आर्मी के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं. आपको है इतनी जुर्रत अपने गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोले?
पाकिस्तान आर्मी की चमचागिरी तो नहीं कर रहे. आप चमचागिरी कर रहे हैं टेलीविजन पर.
एक सेकंड,
आपको इतनी जुर्रत है?
डॉक्टर साहब अब आप जवाब सुनेंगी. डॉक्टर साहब आप जवाब सुनेंगी.
लास्ट 2 मिनट्स.
डॉक्टर साहब मैं आपसे एक सवाल कर लूं. डॉक्टर साहब मैं आपसे मैं थोड़ी सी अर्ज कर देता हूँ, आप जरा सुन लीजिए इसको. मैं आपको एक छोटी सी बात, मैं जरा खामोशी से
इनके ऑपोजिशन लीडर नहीं बोल सकता, इनका मीडिया नहीं बोल सकता.
छोटी सी बात, मैं डॉक्टर साहिबा आपसे ना एक छोटी सी बात करूंगा, तेरा बोलने की काबिल नहीं रही.
This is what we call the freedom of expression. This is what we call आजाद मीडिया. सब बैठ के बोल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ, सब बैठ के बोल रहे हैं मीडिया के खिलाफ.
I'm sitting in Bengaluru.
बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं बोल लूं.
अब्दुल समाद याकूब को बुलाते हैं आप पीटीवी पर. आप पीटीवी पर बोलते हैं अब्दुल समाद याकूब कर. अब्दुल समाद याकूब को बुलाइए पीटीवी पर.
इनको जरा डॉक्टर साहिबा जरा देखिए मेरी बात सुने.
फिर रही है.
डॉक्टर साहिबा मैं कर्नल साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, मैं आपके कर्नल साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो आपका वजीफा, आपका जो मंथली है वो बढ़ा दें, ताकि आप अच्छा बोलती हैं आजकल, तो आपके लिए जो आपको जो आपको इंसेंटिव देते हैं वो आपके लिए बढ़ा दें. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट देम कि यार शी इज अ गुड, शी इज डूइंग वेरी वेल. वो आपके लिए जो है वो आपकी तरक्की कर देंगे. और यार एक सेकंड बात सुन लो जरा खामोशी से बात सुनो. मैं कुछ कहना चाह रहा हूँ, खामोशी से बात सुनो. मुझे पता है कौन कहां से आता है, मेरे सामने ना बोलो. मुझे पता है कौन कहां से आता है, तुम कहां से आई हो, कौन कहां से आता है. आई नो वेरी वेल. मुझे बताते हो कि तुम लोग कहां से आते हो, ये कहां से आती है, ये मुझे मेरे सामने बात करते हो. बात करने से पहले कुछ शर्म कर लिया करो. तुम्हारी जो कीमत है तुम्हें मिल जाती है. इस प्रोग्राम के बाद तुम्हारी कीमत मिल जाती है. मेरे सामने बकवास मत किया, मेरे सामने बकवास मत करो. मुझे पता है तुम्हारी क्या औकात है, पता है मुझे तुम्हारी कितनी कीमत है, कितने पे बिकती हो, कितने पे आती हो यहाँ पे, सारा मुझे पता है तुम्हारी. शर्म नहीं आती तुम लोगों को.
The way you are addressing Sundas and the way you are talking to us, you have no right.
मुझे पता है तुम लोग कहां से आते हो.
And talk
he's saying that he's while I don't appreciate any sexist statement at all, and I'm against every sexist statement. He's trying to say that you receive some honorarium from the ISI. That's what he's suggesting.
Look at the way you're talking to Sundas. Is that how you address women? For God's sake, have a heart.
और विमेन कार्ड ना खेलो यहाँ पे. विमेन कार्ड ना खेलो यहाँ पे. मुझे पता है तुम्हें अगर विमेन कार्ड की ज्यादा हैसियत है तो तुम उसकी बात करो जो कत्ल तुमने किया आपने, जो कत्ल यहाँ पे हुए, जो खून गिरा है उसकी बात करो.
मेरी बात सुनो. Why should we listen to you? We are under no obligation to listen to you. We don't want to listen to your nonsense because you're talking rot, you're talking rubbish, you don't know what, you're a sellout. You're a real sellout.
Oh, भाई 200 बंदा मारा गया, 200 बंदा. तुम विमेन कार्ड खेली हो, 200 बंदा मारा गया यहाँ पे.
Don't you dare say that you represent Pakistan. You do not represent Pakistan. You represent only the enemy of Pakistan. because you're constantly.
I represent the humanity.
designing Pakistan.
I
You're
represent,
constantly
I am the
designing,
representing,
the state of
I am
Pakistan.
representing of the
We don't want to
largest
listen
party
to
of the
your rubbish
Pakistan,
anymore.
the
We
most
don't-
popular party.
They should get some Indian
The
Okay, he's saying he's
representative.
representative of the most popular
We are
party
the
in Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Hitting back, Abdul
I am the
Samad Yaqub.
Pakistan.
We
I am the
don't want
Pakistan.
to listen to
I am the
rubbish
state.
and nonsense.
You do not,
Okay?
you have no authority to represent Pakistan. मैं रियासत हूँ,
PMLN
मैं
versus
रियासत हूँ, मैं
versus
सबसे
PMLN.
बड़ी पार्टी को
Big
रिप्रेजेंट
debate
करता हूँ.
tonight. Representatives
सबसे
of
बड़ी
both
पार्टी को
Pakistan's
यहाँ पे-
political parties are on the
And I
program tonight.
represent the government of Punjab. Don't you dare. You go and see. I am Chief Minister's focal person on polio eradication. I am part of
You are
Punjab
the
government
puppet of
and
the
I
Chief
represent my
Minister.
government.
You
I'm
and
sitting
your
in Lahore,
puppet chief.
and you are
और
talking
तुम्हारे
about
चीफ
Lahore
मिनिस्टर
right
की
now.
क्या हैसियत है
And
तुम्हारे
I'm
चीफ
telling
मिनिस्टर
you
की?
that Lahore is peaceful. All the Lahore is peaceful. There is absolutely no killing, no nothing. But we have to stop disruption. Law will take its course. If you come out on the roads and you disturb the lives of normal people, they have to go to their offices. They have to go to their schools. They have to go to their businesses. And if you try to block the roads and if you
Okay,
try
now,
to burn
one
tires
minute,
and
one
stuff
minute,
like
one minute,
that,
one minute, one minute. See, you are having a
the law
party, your
cannot
Prime
allow
Minister is
that.
having a party,
The law
you're
is
losing your
equal for
support, and when
every
everything
citizen
goes
of
haywire,
Pakistan.
when there's going to be a lot of violence, when there's going to be a lot of bloodshed, 200 people have died, then you will say, our
Well,
eternal
no,
enemy,
no, I
India,
don't
is
know.
behind
I
it.
don't know
We are
who
not
said
behind the
anything.
Tehreek-e-Labaq
All
Pakistan. We are not
bullshit.
behind the Baluch
All
Liberation
rubbish.
Army. We're not
All
behind the
nonsense.
Tehreek-e-Taliban
I don't know
Pakistan.
from where you're
We are
getting
not
your
behind the
figures.
freedom fighters of Sindh.
Where-
We are not
where
behind the
are no
Pathans
such
and
figures?
KPK. It's all happening on its own,
remember
ladies
those
and gentlemen.
5,000
It's got an
people who
inertia of its own. And Uzma
Who
Kardar, I
killed
thank
those
you. And
5,000
PTI versus PMLN. And
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
MDH